Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography with an exciting product, the DJI Air 3S, a dual-camera 4K drone that promises to elevate your flying experience. For those interested, we found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The DJI Air 3S is not just any drone. It's equipped with a powerful 1-inch CMOS primary camera that captures stunning visuals with remarkable detail, even in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who love shooting during the golden hour or capturing breathtaking nightscapes. With the ability to record cinematic 4K video at 60 frames per second, you can expect vibrant footage that showcases intricate textures in clouds and landscapes, making every moment count. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is its impressive 14 stops of dynamic range. This means you can capture images with rich detail, whether you're photographing a sunset or a scenic vista. If you're someone who enjoys creating panoramic shots, the Air 3S also offers a free Panorama Mode that stitches together images seamlessly. You can choose between wide-angle panoramas for a broader view or medium telephoto panoramas for high detail and minimal distortion. Safety is a top priority in drone flying, and the Air 3S does not disappoint. It comes with forward-facing LiDAR and additional sensors that enable omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This means you can fly confidently during nighttime or in complex environments, as the drone can intelligently navigate around buildings and other obstacles, ensuring a safer flying experience. The next-generation smart return-to-home feature is another highlight. The upgraded algorithms allow the Air 3S to determine the most efficient route back to its home point, even if the GPS signal is weak. This feature is invaluable for those who may find themselves flying in unfamiliar areas or challenging conditions. When it comes to flight time and video transmission range, the Air 3S offers an impressive 45 minutes of max flight time and a 20 km video transmission range. This extended flight capability gives you the freedom to explore new locations, scout for the perfect shot, and still have enough time to return home safely. The DJI Air 3S comes complete with everything you need to get started, including the drone itself, the DJI RCN3 remote controller, one intelligent flight battery, and a set of propellers. However, do note that the battery charger is sold separately, and it's highly recommended to purchase the DJI 65W portable charger for efficient charging. So, who is the DJI Air 3S suitable for? This drone is perfect for travel enthusiasts, professional photographers, and videographers who are looking to capture stunning aerial shots. It's also a great option for hobbyists who want to elevate their drone flying skills while enjoying the convenience of advanced features. In practical use cases, you can take the Air 3S on your next hiking trip, capturing stunning landscapes from above. It can also be used for real estate photography, providing potential buyers with a unique aerial perspective of properties. If you're into filmmaking, the vibrant 4K HDR video quality will add a cinematic touch to your projects. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3S is a fantastic tool for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. With its advanced camera capabilities, safety features, and extended flight time, it stands out as a top choice in the drone market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.